Hello and welcome to the Skynet. Those who are connected us, they already know that we have been doing a lot of episodes for this part of the universe. But today I came to those because I just want to share with you guys those new details that came out recently about the research that's been done at Keck Observatory and also some other telescopes around India and some part of the world. So today I'm gonna just look into those black holes because those pictures you see are just new and we have the combination between the new ones and the older ones, but the background behind me, that's the new one they discover. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to explain what black hole is so that we're all on the same page and better understand where we are coming from. So when we say a black holes are among those mysterious cosmic objects much more studied but not fully understood. These objects aren't really holes, they are huge concentration of matter packed into very tiny spaces. A black hole is so dense that gravity just beneath its surface, the event horizon, is strong enough that nothing, not even light, can escape. The event horizon isn't a surface like Earth or even the Sun's. It is a boundary that contains all the matter that makes up the black hole. So you can hear what they're saying. That means even light cannot escape into the black holes. So there's much there's much we don't know about the black holes yet, like what matter looks like inside the event horizon. However, there's a lot that scientists do not know about the black hole. So to go back 10, 20 years ago, we thought, oh, we only knew at least 3% of the universe. So recently, some people were suggesting we just discovered a lot. So we were at least estimating we know at least between 6 to 10% of the universe. But this proves that we know nothing about the universe. We have been researching, discovering a lot of stuff at the same time. When you come across something like this kind of black holes, which is new, so it gives us a goosebump. At the same time, it might limit our understanding of the universe. So this is the structure of the universe, the picture you're looking at here. So I'm gonna go over a few closest black holes. The nearest known black hole, called Gaia PH1, is about 150 light years away. So to put into perspective, when you hear 100 light years away, that means 5.88 trillion miles away. That's one light year equals. So we're talking about a very large and very far distance. So the second farthest is the most distant black hole detected at the center of the galaxy, called QSQ J0313-1806, is around 13 billion light years away. So that's also very far because there's no way we can even study or think about going that kind of way. So at the same time, this is the jet material. So the biggest black hole is the most massive black hole observed. It's called TAN 618, tips the scale of 66 billion times the sun's mass. So that's huge. The smallest, if we go by light years, is the lightest known black hole is 3.8 times the sun's mass. It's paired up with a star. So it's very is spaghettification. That's another way they call it, a real term that describes what happens when matter gets too close to the black hole. It is squeezed horizontally and stretched vertically, resemble noodle, looks like pasta. So the other one we call is spin, which is all black holes spin. The fastest known, named GRS, ducks in the over 1000 rotations per second. Particle accelerators, also monster black holes at the center of gravity, or galaxies can launch particles to near light speed. So gravity is the same. If you replace the sun with the black hole of the same mass, the solar system will get a lot colder but the planet will stay in their orbit. So the other thing also is most Milky Way sized galaxies have monster black holes. Their centers, ours is called as Sagittarius A, pronounced as Sagittarius. It's 4 million more times the sun. So at the same time, so finding the black hole, how can we find black hole if we are going to go deep into this and understand about the concept and the discovery behind all of this? Black holes doesn't emit or reflect light, making them effectively invisible to telescopes. Scientists primarily detect the study them based on how they affect their surrounding. A supermassive black hole's tense gravity can cause stars to orbit around into particular way. Astronomers tracked the orbits of several stars near the center of the Milky Way to prevent it houses supermassive black holes. The discovery that won 2020 Nobel Prize, that's something we all, if you guys go back and Google that. When very massive objects accelerate through space, they create ripple to the fabric of space-time called gravitational waves. Scientists can detect some of these by the ripples effect or detectors. Massive objects like black holes can bend and distort light from more distant objects. This effect, called gravitational lensing, can be used to find isolated black holes that are not or otherwise invisible. So this we don't want to confuse between black holes and also wormholes. So wormholes they don't provide shortcuts between different points in space or portals to other dimensions or universe. Cosmic vacuum cleaners. Black holes don't suck other matters from far enough away that gravitational effects are just like those of other objects. So to better understand this black hole, it's sometimes we call it dead star because when a star starts spinning out of control, it bursts, then it becomes a black hole. So then again, remember all these images you see, they are new, they're just released today, and some of them they're still going through a lot of analysis from astronomers, but it's just it's just to get the clear idea of what we have in our universe. So again, to remember, we thought we had a lot of we understood more about our universe, but we're still less than 2% of what we discovered over the last 120 years. So I'm gonna continue digging all of this because it's new. I just got it, so I'm still researching and get few of the details. Then probably tomorrow when I get back, probably I'll have more details and more information. So space junkies, those who love space, these are some stuff that just came out. So just Google yourself and find out what's happening around science. Thank you.